Okay, forward, let go your headline, let go stern line.
Forward. Let's go stern line up.
Roger.
One spring remain.
Okay, one spring remain, thank you.
One spring remain, forward.
Okay, one spring remain, forward. Wow, easy to starboard. Bow slow to starboard. Bow stop, Jim.
Bow stop.
Thank you, Jim. Yeah, after you fasten me, and then I will depart from the berth. So I'll wait for you to come alongside, and after that I will departure. As per Nagoya Harbor Radar information, over.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation.
Yes, thank you. After I let go all lines, all mooring mans will come to you, over. Bicycle pag yung stern ng SIPC pinsabaw naman. Abim na, okay. Okay, let go all lines forward enough.
Let go lines forward.
Roger. Tag Tamashu, stand by, Tag Tamashu. I will let go all lines.
Roger, Tamashu.
Okay, propeller clear off, thank you. Thruster clear, continuing forward, thank you, okay. Bow thruster half to starboard, Chief. We're swinging to starboard side, better on forward enough.
Thruster, 6 to starboard.
Roger.
All lines left forward.
Okay, all lines left forward, thank you. Tag Tamashu, minimum pull.
Minimum pull, Tamashu, Roger.
Roger. Bow stop. Bow stop. Now bow half to starboard now, Chief. Bow full to starboard. Thank you. Okay, Tag Tamashu, stop pull, stop pull.
Stop pull, Tamashu, Roger.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard.
Let's go ahead.
Distance around 40.
Swing distance 40 off, thank you.
Now clear to swing up.
Okay, clear to swing up, thank you. Stop engine. Stop engine, Chief. Okay, Tag Tamashu, prepare to let go your Tag Tamashu. Third, prepare to let go your Tag, third.
Sir, let go tag.
Let go your Tag Tamashu.
Podcast to dog.
Okay, Tag Tamashu, goodbye sir, once light clear. Tag Tamashu, thank you so much, Tag Tamashu. Let go Tag, see you next time. Yes, bye-bye, thank you. 130.
130.
Tag sign clear, third.
Sir, tag boat clear.
Okay, tag boat clear. Okay, so you can dismiss forward again and then relief third mid forward.
Sir, release 30 seconds from sir to forward.
Okay, thank you.